Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're going to review one of the best options in the world of kids' lunchboxes, the Bentgo Kids Chill Lunchbox. If you've been searching for the perfect lunchbox that combines functionality with fun, then this is the one you don't want to miss. First, let's talk about the design. The Bentgo Kids Chill Lunchbox comes in a range of colors, but today, we'll focus on the sleek purple design. It's compact and easy for kids to handle, measuring at 8.9 inches by 6.5 inches by 2 inches, making it perfect for little hands. The best part? It features 4 compartments, offering ample space for packing a variety of foods, from sandwiches to fruits, snacks, and more. This is a game changer for parents of picky eaters, as it helps keep everything separated and visually appealing. What truly sets this lunchbox apart is the included built-in ice pack. Unlike traditional lunchboxes that require separate ice packs, the Bentgo Kids Chill comes with a removable ice pack that fits perfectly underneath the tray. Simply pop it in the freezer the night before, and you're good to go. This ensures that your child's lunch stays fresh and cool throughout the day. No more worrying about soggy sandwiches or warm snacks. Now, let's talk about the leak-proof technology. Bentgo has truly nailed this feature. The lunchbox is designed with a kid-friendly latch, which makes it easy for children to open and close, yet secure enough to prevent any leaks or spills. The outer shell is also built with a durable rubberized edge, providing extra protection against drops and bumps. It's perfect for kids on the go, whether they're heading to school, daycare, or outdoor activities. Cleaning this lunchbox is a breeze too. The tray is both microwave safe and top-shelf dishwasher safe, which is a huge convenience for busy parents. We do recommend hand-washing the main container and ice pack for the best results, but overall, it's incredibly easy to maintain. And of course, let's not forget about the eco-friendly aspect. The Bentgo Kids Chill Lunchbox is made of food-safe materials, completely free of BPA, vinyl, lead, or PVC, ensuring that it's safe for your child. Plus, Bentgo is a proud supporter of Feed the Children, having donated nearly $300,000 to help fight hunger since 2017. So when you purchase this lunchbox, you're also supporting a great cause. In conclusion, the Bentgo Kids Chill Lunchbox is an excellent choice for parents looking for a reliable, practical, and eco-friendly lunchbox for their kids. With its leak-proof design, built-in ice pack, and convenient compartments, it truly is the best in its class. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more reviews of the best products out there. See you next time.